Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn about procedure text. Procedure text is a text which explains how to do, how to make, or how to operate something. Jelasnya, teks prosedur adalah suatu teks yang menjelaskan langkah-langkah atau cara bagaimana melakukan sesuatu atau cara mengerjakan sesuatu atau cara mengoperasikan sesuatu. Nah, contoh-contoh dari prosedur teks mungkin kalian sudah pernah belajar di kelas 10, yaitu misalnya cara membuat kue, or how to make fried rice, how to operate computer, dan lain-lain. Nah, salah satu ciri khusus dari teks prosedur yang mudah dikenali judulnya adalah biasanya how to make, how to do, how to charm a girl, misalnya how to be a good student, dan sebagainya. Oke, berikut adalah ciri-ciri prosedur teks. Yang pertama adalah menggunakan simple present tense. Simple present tense seperti yang kalian ketahui adalah kata kerjanya menggunakan kata kerja pertama, kemudian waktunya juga menggunakan sesuai dengan aturan simple present tense. Yang kedua adalah menggunakan imperative sentence atau kalimat perintah. Contohnya adalah add 2 spoons, cook with low heat, blend the spices, fry the egg, dan sebagainya. Berikutnya adalah menggunakan action verbs atau kata kerja yang memerlukan tindakan. Selanjutnya, menggunakan numbering atau step by step. Contoh first, second, third. Menggunakan conjunction atau kata penghubung seperti next, then, while. Menggunakan adverbs atau kata keterangan untuk memperjelas tahapan yang dilalui. Contoh correctly, carefully, slowly, for 2 minutes, etc. Jenis-jenis prosedur teks. Yang pertama adalah prosedur teks yang memaparkan cara mengoperasikan atau menggunakan sesuatu. For example, how to use camera, how to use rice cooker. Yang kedua adalah prosedur teks yang memberikan instruksi dalam melakukan kegiatan tertentu. For example, how to play guitar, how to make brownies. Yang terakhir adalah prosedur teks yang berkaitan dengan kiat-kiat or tips and tricks. For example, how to be successful in life, how to make yourself happy, how to be a good student, dan sebagainya. Struktur prosedur teks. Yang pertama adalah goal atau aim, berisikan maksud dan tujuan dari prosedur teks terkait. For example, how to make doll, how to make prosedur teks, how to make, how to do, how to operate computer. Nah, itu namanya goal atau aim. Yang kedua adalah material yang berisikan bahan-bahan yang diperlukan untuk melakukan tahapan suatu prosedur teks. Perlu diingat bahwa dalam satu prosedur teks tidak semua memerlukan materials. Steps adalah daftar langkah yang berurutan untuk menyelesaikan tahapan prosedur teks seperti first, next, second, third, finally, dan sebagainya. Yang terakhir adalah result atau hasil dari langkah-langkah yang telah dilakukan atau tujuan akhir dari prosedur teks sendiri itu apa. Misalnya kalau dalam membuat kue kan suka bilang cara, this is it, something like that. Okay everyone, I'm going to make a very simple cheesy banana with chocolate wafer bar. And then what we have to prepare are first bananas, and then some grated cheese, and some wafer chocolate bar. You can use any brands, and don't forget to prepare these paper cups. And the materials are very simple. You only need knife and wooden table to cut the ingredients. Okay, first, don't forget, you have to peel the bananas. Okay. Make sure that all the peels are clean. You can use more than 5 bananas, just because in my kitchen there are only 5 bananas left, so I use only 5 bananas. In Indonesia, we call these bananas is Bangka Wulu. Yeah, there is no Bangka Wulu in English. The English people only knows banana with the names banana. But in Indonesia, we know that bananas have many species. Just like this one, we call it Bangka Wulu. Okay. Okay, don't ever to move it into trash because we use it as a organic fertilizer for our flowers. Second, we have to cut this banana into half, like this, and then cut again, like this. Okay. 2, 3, 4. From 5 bananas, we can make 10 cheesy bananas. So you can invite your friends to your house to try your creation. Okay. You cut these bananas into halves, and then we are going to grill or to roast the bananas in the pan. Okay, don't forget to turn on the stove. Okay, use the medium flame, and then after that you have to brush the pan with a little margarine. Don't too much. Don't be too much. Okay. Okay. After it's hot enough, and then we can. It's not to fry, but kind to grill. Yeah. Until these bananas turns into yellow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just wait until about 3 or 5 minutes to turn these bananas into yellow color. Don't forget to turn it over so the colors of the bananas are even all over the bananas. Okay, it takes time, about 3 until 5 minutes. Okay, after about 3 or 5 minutes, these bananas has turned into yellow or kind of brown. It means that it's ripe enough, cooked enough, so we can put these cooked bananas into plate. Okay, slowly. Yes. Okay, the next steps, we are going to finish these bananas First, take 1/2 cup of bananas and then put this chocolate bar and then put another half bananas into it and put it in the paper cup. You can make it like this. Okay. Do the same with another bananas. Okay. 2. 3. 4. Okay, now it's a half of finish, and then we are going to do a kind of finishing touch by a sprinkle grated cheese into this. You can use as you wish. You can use more cheese, so it's really cheesy. Wow, must be very delicious. You can enjoy these cheesy bananas with hot tea, plain hot tea. Okay, now after this we're going to put, this is the last, finally the last step is we can sprinkle or put a melted chocolate bar, a dark chocolate, to the top. Okay. Wow. Look, it's really tempting colors. Okay, this is it. It's very simple cheesy banana with chocolate bars with the chocolate dark topping. Okay, thank you very much for your watching, and you can try it at home. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next videos.